Welcome to your Visual Studio Code tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to rename files swiftly. First, locate the file you want to rename in the Explorer pane on the left. Right-click on the file. A context menu will pop up with several options. Select Rename from the menu. You'll see the file name highlighted. Simply type your new file name and hit Enter to finalize your changes. And that's it. Your file is renamed and ready for action. Happy coding! Remember, shortcuts can boost your efficiency. Control+ or opens rename directly. For bulk renaming, consider extensions in the Visual Studio Code marketplace. Stay organized. Consistent naming conventions help keep your projects tidy. Practice makes perfect. Take some time to rename files and explore options. Finally, always back up your files before major renaming tasks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your coding journey.